Kanitha-ini wa All Saints Cathedral etikia marokire kunyitanira igongona-ini ria mitha ota mutugo na gutire utiganu munene wa namba ya andu aria mekinyagia kanitha-ini uyu o kiumia. Kuringana na muthikabu wa kanitha uyu Evans Omolo, rita riri namba nene ya etikia kanitha-ini uyu matinaumagara guthie shagini undu uria ukuruhanitio na ngarama ya iguru ya muturire.
There are quite a lot of people today compared to other days. It means many people have not traveled because they're saying maisha ni ngumu, we cannot travel, so we'd rather stay here and use what we have here.
Omolo atariria ati magoti meru maria thirikari ikoretwo ikigathikira Akenya ni gatagati ka maundu maria macungiriirie Akenya aingi kuremererwo kibesha.
Coupled with our new taxations that we have had, the cost of living has gone a little up, and what we see this year is that life has become a little harder as you use taxis, as you visit shops. Kenyans are mourning and crying, and you can definitely see that even in church.
Kanitha-ini wa Holy Family Basilica, Father Michael Disho aratariria ati namba ya andu aria megwikinyiti igongona-ini ria mitha ya rucine yuma nini ukiringithania na mitha cia mithenya iri ingi.
And this morning we had the normal masses for this Sunday. Although the numbers, people seem to have traveled, the number was not as huge as we expected, but the attendance actually was also good. But in the evening, because we have the Christmas carols, we are anticipating the number will be big. And again, tomorrow for us as Catholics is a day of obligation.
Thiini wa ndumiriri yake ya Christmas, Father Disho ni ahinyiririe Akenya gutamburukia guoko kuri aria matari na uhoti niguo kumahe kanya ga gukenerera mambura maya.
It's all about sharing, and none of us can say we is too poor that he can lack something, he or she can lack something to give to the other people.
My message to all Kenyans during this Christmas season is let's share love, let's share peace during this time of Christmas when Christ was being born. Now, the reason why I'm not going home is because I'll be working. Unfortunately, I'm in the aviation sector, so guys are traveling in and out. So I have to be there to coordinate people to have a safe travel from where they're coming for to where they're heading to.
Akenya aria maraumagara ni moretio kugia na wigiririki barabara-ini na oho guthima ikeno na miago na makiria kuri mbeu njithi.
Let's not do things that will throw us off in terms of values, where we instigate violence, where there are things like thievery. Let's be responsible.
There's so many things that young people indulge at this time. There's reckless sex around. These guys are drinking. They're doing parties. All those things. And the unfortunate bit is you will be answerable for your life in the coming 10-15 years down the line.
Ihinda-ini riu Akenya makiurio kuhuthira mbeca iria mari nacio uria kwagiriire amu no kiumia kimwe tu gitigarite mbere ya thukuru kuhingurwo tamu ya mbere mwaka ukite.
Spend meaningfully and know that there is school fees to pay in January. Know that there are uniforms to buy, there are books to buy. Do know that January is really long. So tusimalize pesa zote katika sherehe msimu huu.
Hadini Hakameme TV, Jutagogina Wawadurwa.